In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Bear, snore on. A itty bitty mouse. Pitter pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks. Too dank. Too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there? Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Who's the bunny? Okay. Hop, 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 hop. Hello, Mouse. Hello, Mouse. Long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Oh, hare, rabbit, you burp, big burps. Hare. But the bear snores on.
Do I get on?
Not yet. A badger.
Who's the badger?
What? Can you see who's the badger on that sign? Judah. Badger.
Judah.
Oh, Judah. It's you? Do you want to give it to somebody else? Okay, go. Oh, okay.
We need a badger.
Badger? Do you want to be Badger? Racker?
Oh, wait. Kristen,
Can you be Badger? Okay. Badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums.
I smell yummy.
Perhaps we can share?
Perhaps the hare said it.
I brought honey nuts.
I brought honey nuts.
Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up.
It's sticking up.
Cozy down and dig in. Cozy down.
Cozy down
And
and dig in.
Yeah. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch. But bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren. Where's Maddox?
Maddox has been under the table.
Maddox, you ready? Okay. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." Nico, what a night.
What a night.
Maddox, can you say, "What a storm"?
What a storm.
Yeah. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter. Tweet and twitter. They they chat and they jitter. But the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party. Party, guys. Woo! In his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls. And he snarls. Bear roars. And he rumbles. whimpers and he moans. And he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn.
See, we can pop more corn.
We can brew more tea.
We can brew more tea.
Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.